Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install mods on SKLauncher. Alright, let's begin. Mods are a great way to improve your Minecraft experience. First, you need to download a mod. Open any web browser and go to curseforge.com. Select Minecraft, then click Browse All Mods. Find a mod you like and open its page. Go to the Files section and download the latest version that matches your game version. Make sure to note the mod loader and Minecraft version before downloading. Now open SKLauncher. Click the plus icon next to the Installations Manager. Select the same version and mod loader you downloaded the mod for, such as NeoForge with version 1.20. Enable the option to use a separate folder and press Save. Select this installation and press Play. Once the game fully launches, close it. Open SKLauncher again, find the custom installation, and click Open Installation Directory. Open the mods folder and drag and drop the downloaded mod file into it. Make sure all mods use the same version and loader. Go back to SKLauncher and press play. So that's basically how you can install mods on SKLauncher. That's it for this video. Thanks.